So hi guys, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. So for today's video I'm gonna be doing a half up half down hairstyle for you. Yes, all right, so let's get into the styling. So guys, this hair that you see me dancing and doing whatever stuff in was supposed to be the hair when me shown how me install it and everything. But after everything and it finished and something, I said, John was there. The area get puffier by the minute that it grow. You understand? It just wasn't working out how me wanted for work out. I don't know if you never do something yet and get that, and it happened to you, but I had to take it out and then use a completely different ear to do the hairstyle. That the ear that I will be using is Yaki Expression in number 4, a straight ear. So I'll be inserting that clip somewhere about now. Yeah, chat up your face. So they're here, so with their square one again. Well, with their square something, because this still up here. So anyway, remember I'm gonna sew it on. So I'm just gonna show you a 5 second. So I'm just gonna show you a little piece, and I'm gonna sew it on. So yes, this is where we're at now. My finished sweating, I cheated, not going to lie to you, and I know that it is against the whole national air community and whatever, but yeah, I did have to cheat. You know why? Because up here, so forget it, lay down flat. But I have to use my glue, but it have to use the ear glue. Yeah, palm my ear. It's gonna come out, man. Don't worry about it. It's gonna come out, but if we get it on flat, yeah, it's still everything not down flat yet. But if we get here so flat and something, we did have to use the glue right here. So you get what me say? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna have to go wash off my face. You saw my face shine? You can boil an egg on it. You get me? Come here, sweat. For how much hours? You get me? So we're back. So I'm gonna do, I could just use the sponge here and just tie it down and just do this, right? Then if you hold down the glue, I'm gonna use this and tie it down. I'm going to put it on cold and then blow dry. So I'm just gonna let it I'm just gonna let it sit like for a couple minutes and whatever. Oh, I'm just going to let it sit while I do the updo, my little bun. And bam. So this is the end result, guys. Yes, all right. So what I did after putting the ear, sewing the ear and everything under my top knot. Hey, you see, for the top knot you don't have to really do a top knot, you know. It's because I wanted a top knot, but what you can do, you can always let it out. You can do anything you want to do as long as you feel comfortable with it. I feel comfortable with the top knot. That is the reason why I do my top knot. I feel the top knot fit me. Honestly, I don't know, but feel it fit me. I will may feel though. Anyway, so what I did, I use my my flat iron and just curl it. Me know the other one we use. Me know, yeah, me know. So I use this now, curl it and have it up like that, and then we use these me wrap it around and hold it up little. I think about 1 hour my wait, or probably 1.5 hours. I don't know, because I went to do some other stuff, and then I pull them out, and then I get these beautiful curls. I think I use about this hour 2 for probably about 8 I use. Yeah, probably about 8 of these bendy thingy I use, and yeah, I got these beautiful nice curls. So we started out one way and we ended up with this. So if you cannot do it one way, come on, you know, you can always use different things as long as you know what you want and you know how to get what you want. Of course you can do anything that you want to do. Isn't that right? All right, so if you guys do enjoy my tutorial and how I do my half up, half down with a different hair and then put on a different hair, if you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Share the video with your family and your friends, of course. Definitely, most definitely subscribe if you want more content like this, right? And of course, make sure to turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I drop a post. All right, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, what we said apart the man, you're not gonna buy the KFC, you know? I'm sure you're not gonna buy the KFC. No, I'm sure you're not gonna buy it. Anyway, that. No, them in the can write it on the screen. Remember to check the description. Remember what the product use. Alright, so. Alright, finish. Cut. That's it. Stop rolling. Bye.